Today I'm taking a look at the DURATECH 24-piece anti-slip flex head ratcheting wrench set. So it does come with a nice case. And we can see we got our SAE as well as our metrics. No matter what we need, we're going to be able to find that in this. So here's our 3/4. We can see that that is chrome vanadium. It is labeled on both sides. Really like that etching on that side. You can even see that we got an arrow on there to let us know which way that this is going to be driving. And we can even see that the open end wrench is actually pointing the correct direction. So it is pointing down. That should let us know which direction that is driving. And they did build that correctly. Got a nice decent thickness on that 3/4 inch. This does actually feel very smooth in the hand. I love that black and gold coloring on there. And we can see we got those teeth in there to help us grab onto those nuts and bolts. Here is a smaller 1/4 inch. We can see we got a nice large mechanism on that that actually ratchets very smoothly. That is of course a flex head. And if we have that pointing straight out, that does hold itself up, so we don't have to worry about that thing flopping down before we get it on the bolt that we need. So we got a 9/32, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, 15/32, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. So I love that they got that down all the way to the 9/32. That is a very uncommon size to find in a set like this. For our metric, that actually goes all the way down to a 6. So we got a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So the only skip there is the 11mm, which is a size that I never use anyway. So yeah, nice complete set. Really like the look. Let's go ahead and get these guys in use. So that is a good sign. With a ratcheting mechanism like this, one of the things you always got to worry about is if I put too much pressure on it, is it going to damage that ratcheting mechanism? And this one definitely feels like it can put up with some abuse. Cool. So yeah, excellent little ratcheting wrenches. If you can get a ratcheting wrench, that is definitely the style to get. Getting a flex head, in my opinion, is the best style just because the ones that are flat are usually perfectly flat, which means you end up usually cracking your knuckles because you have to have them close to the project you're going to be working on. So flex head so that you can bend that around angles, and especially if you need to get that into a super tight area, you can get that into places where you cannot get even a normal box end combination wrench. So yeah, that is an excellent set of wrenches.